Hello everyone, my name is Yusuf and I'm here to help you to find keywords by using Google Keyword Planner. In order to use Google Keyword Planner, you need to create a Google Ads account. And once you have created a Google Ads account, you will have access to a dashboard that kind of looks like this one here. And if you go to Tools and Settings at the very top here, and you click on Tools and Settings and go to the very far left to Keyword Planner, and you click on Keyword Planner. So once you do that, you arrive to this page where you get two options: discover new keywords or get search volume and forecast. What we need to do for this step is to click on discover new keywords. On this section, you should enter product or service that is closely related to your business. Here we target keywords that are broad-based so that we can get a wide range of keywords to choose from when it comes to finding keywords for our ad campaigns or the content that we're trying to get. And once you have listed out 3 to 4 main keywords to search, in this section you just click on get results, and then you'll get basically a list of keywords that Google Keyword Planner suggests for you. As you can see here, we got 1,600 keywords or keyword ideas that are available. You can choose to basically change the location here. Let's say you want to target customers in the US or find keywords based on customers in the US, then you can just remove Canada. I'm from Canada, so that's why it showed up by default. As you can see, the number of keyword ideas available changed here from 1,000. I can't remember what the number was, but it changed. I think it moved up. And you can also specify the date for all this research data, because all this data has been compiled by Google based off of the last year. As you can see here, June 2021 to May 2022. You can change that. I like to leave it within the last 12-month range, because that gives you a more of a fair assessment of how many people have searched a particular keyword. As you can see here, you get the keywords on this section. The volume is on this section. Google likes to put the volume based off of a range. They don't give you an exact volume. And this is the competition score. It ranges from low to high, medium, low, medium, high, and then these are the prices basically that Google charges per keyword. This matters if you are obviously looking for keywords for your ad campaign. Then you choose keywords that are cheaper than others, less competitive, and won't cost you a lot when it comes to cost per click. For this video, we're gonna ignore it because we're not trying to find particular keywords that are for our ad campaigns. Maybe that's something that we'll do later on. And once, let's say you've decided what keywords you want, you just basically click on them. Obviously I'm just choosing random keywords. Ideally, I prefer to choose keywords based off of competition level. I like to target low to medium competition level and leave the high, because high, obviously it's very competitive and I don't want to waste my time targeting keywords that are highly competitive. So I focus on low to medium with a reasonable range, like this keyword here is, it's medium tail, it's low competition, free PLR articles. It's 100K, or it ranges, the volume ranges from 100 to 1,000 visitors per month. It's a low competition, it's a medium tail keyword, and I'll add it to the list, obviously. This one as well, motivational books for women. This is fairly high, very competitive keyword, and it's got obviously a wider range of search traffic, but I'm not gonna choose this for this campaign simply because it's high, and I'm also gonna eliminate this one because it's competitive and the volume is not that attractive. So yeah, you basically just choose keywords here, preferably medium to low competition, high volume, and then once you have a list of them, then you can basically just download keywords here. If you just click on it and then save them in CVS format, and then you'll have a list of keywords that you can take and implement in your blog post or in your ad campaign, if that's what you're trying to do. Again, this is how you find keywords by using Google Keyword Planner. It's fairly simple. All you got to do, just to recap, you hit the tools and settings button, and then you come to Keyword Planner section under the planning. Once you tap on that, you've arrived to this page. Focus on discover new keywords. Once you click on that, choose one broad keyword that describes your industry, product, or service. It could be, as Google suggests, leather boots, or you could even target boots, and then you click on results. They'll give you a whole list of keywords that you can consider, for your article or for your ad campaign. You can click up here to organize it based off of volume, based off of competition. And this section here, you can choose to omit, keywords that are related to certain brands that you don't want it, because let's say here, for instance, you're in the shoe industry, you don't want keywords that are related to Nike, or keywords that Nike customer searches for, because they're likely looking for a Nike product when they look for those keywords, and it would be a waste of time of targeting such competitive keywords. So you can just choose to eliminate it, and as you can see, the numbers here drop because you removed all keywords that are related to Nike. Let's say you choose to do the same thing for Timberland. So once you click that off, you can see that it automatically, eliminates the keywords that are related to Timberland. Just look at the keyword ideas showing it dropped from 4,195, or sorry, from 4,400 something to 4,195 to 4,553 range. So you just go through these and just eliminate the ones that you don't want, and you're pretty much good to go. And then you just select the keywords that you want, and then you save the keywords directly onto your computer by clicking this option. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.